from Bapuji Institute of Engineering and Technology, Davangere. Today, I have been explaining the complete KCET 2025 counseling process, which includes first round, and second extended round. We'll go step by step from document upload to final seat allotment. So, watch till the end to avoid any mistakes. Step 1. Registration, fee payment and document upload. Here, before you even reach the option entry stage, you must complete the mandatory steps, which are register on the official KEA website, which is kea.kar.nic.in. Next, pay the registration fees online. Next comes to be upload all the required documents, which includes SSLC, PUC marks cards, category certificate if applicable, etc. and other necessary documents. The important tip is, without paying the registration fees and uploading your documents, you will not be allowed to participate in the option entry or seat allotment. So, make sure these steps are done first, otherwise you will be automatically disqualified from the counseling. Step 2, which comes to be the option entry. Once verification is done and the portal opens, you will get access to the option entry form, where here you must select your preferred colleges and course in order of priority. You can enter as many options as you want, as there are no restrictions. The important tip is, after arranging your preferences carefully, save and lock them before the deadline. So now let's discuss about the first round allotment. So what happens in first round? KEA first releases a mock allotment to show you a preview of your possible seat. You can edit your preference after the mock allotment. Then comes to be the final first round allotment. Your choices after first round will be where you get 4 choices. The choice number 1 will be, you are satisfied with the allotted seats, you accept it, pay the fees and download the admission order, then report to the college. Next, you won't be eligible for any further rounds. Next choice would be choice 2, where you like the seat but want to try for a better one in the next round. You pay the fees but don't report yet, where you will be considered for round 2. Next would be choice number 3. You are not satisfied with the seat and don't want to accept it, but you want to participate again in the next round, where you don't have to pay now. Then comes to be the choice 4. You are not happy and also don't want to continue. You need to exit the counseling process completely. So this comes to be the end of the first round allotment. Now let's discuss about the second round seat allotment. So what happens in second round? This is conducted for the remaining seats after the round 1. Here, students who choose choice 2 or choice 3 are considered here. After round 2, you again get the same 4 choices. If satisfied, choice 1, pay fees, download admission order and report. If you already paid the fees in round 1 and now you get a new seat, the previous seat is cancelled automatically and your payment is adjusted. The warning which I used to give you is, if you don't take any actions after round 2, your seat is automatically cancelled and you will lose your eligibility for further rounds. So this comes to be the end of the second round allotment. Next, let's discuss about the second extended round, which is also considered to be the final round. So what happens in the final round? This is the final and the last round of KCET counseling, conducted only for unfilled or surrendered seats after round 2. Usually, it includes both government as well as private colleges who can participate in this round. So students who didn't get any seat earlier or those who cancelled or surrendered their previous seat, they can participate. If you get a seat in the second extended round, that's final. No more changes or upgrades after this. So, what happens after the allotment? Download your admission order, report to the allotted colleges before the last date, and also carry your original documents, fees receipt, and admission order. Next, let's also talk about the final admissions. Once all rounds are done, KEA releases the college-wise final admission list. If you fail to report, your seat will be forfeited. So that's the complete KCET counseling process from registration all the way to the final round. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates and college guidelines. Thank you.